Hello everyone, welcome to Sabi Queen Kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing KFC chicken. That's my chicken, it's already washed. And that's my in here I got cinnamon, I got nutmeg, then I got maggi, I got grounded ginger, and I have garlic, grounded garlic, and the curry and hot pepper. That's what I have there. That's my oil, and that's my chips, that's my flour, that's my egg. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using to prepare KFC from Sabi Queen Kitchen today. All right everyone, thank you. Okay, that's my oil. Put that. I'm going to be using fry pan. Okay guys, that's my egg. I'm just going to mix it with nutmeg, cinnamon, curry, hot pepper, maggi, grounded ginger, grounded garlic, all mixed together. So I'm just going to mix it up. Okay, the oil is hot now. Now I'm going to be putting my onion into the fryer just to give it a sweet aroma. Okay, that's my chicken right now. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the chicken into the mixed egg. Okay, that's my flour. Now I'm going to be putting into my, wow, the oil is very hot, very hot. So the reason why I'm using the reason why I'm using a fry pan is I'm just going to use the oil. It's a fresh oil. Use it for just once and then turn it. Because of the flour and the egg, there is no way I will use my fryer. Okay, I'm just going to use this fry pan. For me, that's how I do my one. So I'm just going to use the fry pan. After using it for today, I'm just going to throw the oil away. There is no way you can reuse the oil because of the flour and then the egg. Okay. So that's coming through. you need to be very, very patient with it so that you will have a well done chicken. Otherwise, it's not going to be, you know what I mean, because the chicken is not boiled. So you need to be very, very patient when you are frying it, okay? Be patient with it. You will get there. Okay. You have some chicken there. Just going to soak it. Soak it. Check out the other one. It's ready as well. That's the last one there. So you need to be very, very patient. You can see, that's why I said when you are frying it, you need to be very, very patient so that you can get the better out of it. Okay, that's the last one. That's the last two. It's done now. It's almost done. You see that? So that's how I prepare my KFC chicken. Okay. Wow. Outcome of KFC chicken is yummy, yummy. That's the chips there. Check it out, guys. Thank you all for watching Sabi Queen Kitchen. Oh, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.